Hello and welcome to All Things Knitty. This week's stitch is the 3D shell stitch. It is a 2-row repeat after your foundation row and it uses extended double crochet, but I'm going to show you how to do that right from the offset. So this pattern gives you these really lovely puffy shells and it's quite different that this side, this colour is your main focus. And on the back, your secondary colour becomes the focus, and it's just as 3D on this side. Like you would have seen, the multiple for this pattern is 6 plus 4, using the correct hook for your yarn. This, however, needed a 5mm, and I didn't have the same weight in this colour, so what I've done is I've teamed a double knit with a very, very fine pink cotton thread just to keep the size even. So once you have your multiple of 6 plus 4, we're going to begin in the 4th chain from our hook. So 1, 2, 3, and in this 4th stitch we're going to begin. You're going to begin with 2 extended double crochets and skipping the 3, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is going to count as one of our extended double crochets. So yarn over your hook, go into the chain, yarn over, pull through a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 1, just 1. Then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And that's an extended double crochet. Okay, so we're going to do one more of those in the same stitch. Yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through just the first. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so we're now going to skip 2 chains. So we're going to skip 1, 2, and in the next we're going to work a single crochet, which is a US single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Once you have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's our single crochet. So we've worked a half shell. So we start this row with a half shell and end with a half shell. We're now going to skip 2, 1, 2. And in the next, we're going to work 5 extended double crochet. So yarn over and work 5 extended double crochet. So just make sure you're pulling through just 1, then 2, then 2. So that's 2 extended, 3. Keep going until you have 5. You're going to then, so you have 5 extended double crochet, and just make sure when you're skipping that you're counting. So this big one was where we worked in 2. We're going to skip 1, 2, and in the next we're going to work a single crochet. Then you're going to skip 2, work 5 extended double crochet, then you'll skip 2 single crochet, skip 2, 5 extended double. Keep doing that all the way across until you've only got 3 stitches left. So we should be 1, 2, 5 doubles, 5 extended doubles, sorry, 1, 2 single crochet, and stop when you have 3 stitches, and I'll show you how to end our foundation row. Okay, so you have 3 stitches, 3 chains left, sorry. You're going to skip 2, and in the very last stitch, you're going to work 3 extended double crochets, but we're going to change colour at the end. So on your very last double crochet, you're only going to pull through 1, then the first 2, and then we change colour. So skip 2, and in the last, we're going to work 3 extended double crochet, just not finishing the very last stitch, because then we're going to change colour. Through 1, through 2, through 2, and then through 1 and through the first 2. So when you have 2 loops on your hook, you're going to cut your yarn. Always, oh, sorry about that. You're going to cut your yarn. You're going to introduce your new yarn. And I like to do this by making a loop, leaving a long tail. So I like to leave a good tail. Loop on your new colour. Pull through those last 2 chains. Then your 2 tails that you've got that are cut, bring those to the back of your work over your working yarn. So bring them to the back, and then we're ready to begin our pattern row 1, where we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. Okay. Into the very first stitch, we are going to single crochet. So into this very first chain here, we're going to single crochet. We're then going to skip 2, 1, 2, and in the single crochet from the row below, so at the bottom of this shell, working into the back loop only, we're going to work our shell of 5 extended double crochet. So we skip 1, 2, and in this next, into the back loop only. So bring your work over to face yourself and just go through the back loop. So yarn over through the back loop. You're going to work 5 extended double crochet. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we'll skip 2, 1, 2, and so we did 5 extended, so skip the first 2, and working into this middle one, into that back loop, we're going to single crochet. So into the back loop only, single crochet. Skip 2, and into this single crochet from the row below, into the back loop, you're going to work 5 extended double crochet. And that's the repeat for this row. 5 extended double crochet. Then you skip 2, single crochet into the back loop of the middle post. Skip 2, work a single crochet here. Single crochet here. 5 extended double crochets here, and stop when you've got your half shell left, and we'll work that together. So 5 extended, skip 2, single crochet, skip 2 in the back loop only, 5 extended double crochets, and stop. Okay, so you're at the end of pattern row 1. If you remember at the start of this row, we worked a single crochet through both loops. That's how we're going to finish. You're going to skip the next 2 posts, and in the top chain, so this was our chain from the previous row, in that very top chain here, we're going to work a single crochet, and we're going to make sure we're going through the stitch and not under it. So just make sure you have your V and complete your single crochet. However, we're going to change colour again. So once you've got 2 loops, you're going to pick back up your other colour, and in the same fashion, you're going to bring a loop through, cut your tail away, bring the 2 so this is our working yarn here. You're going to bring these over and behind your hook like so, and then we're ready to begin pattern row 2, which starts with a chain 3. So the single crochet row, you start with a single crochet, then a full shell. On your pattern row 2, we're going to begin with our half shell. So this counts as our first double crochet. Into the back loop only, you're going to work 2 more extended double crochet. So in that back loop, work an extended double crochet, and you're going to do 2 of those. Then skip 2, 1, 2, and in this middle post, same again, you're going to rotate it towards yourself and single crochet through the back loop only, complete your single crochet. Skip 2, working into the single crochet of the previous row, into the back loop only, 5 extended double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're then going to skip 2 in the middle post. In that back loop, you're going to work a single crochet. Then you'll skip 2, work 5 extended double crochets into that back loop. Skip 2 in the middle post, you'll work a single crochet and then stop, and I'll show you how to work pattern row 2 the end of that. So 5 extended double crochet shell, single crochet, keep doing that until you've come to your last shell, and we'll end the row together. Okay, so you've worked your way across pattern row 2 and you're finished with your single crochet into this back loop here. Sorry, I pulled it a wee bit high. You're going to skip 2. We started with a half shell, so we're going to end with a half shell. So in this very last stitch, so skip 2 and into this single crochet from the row below, into that back loop only, you're going to work 3 extended double crochets. So yeah, 3 extended doubles into that back loop only. That's 1, 2, but remember, we're going to change colour again. So only work 2 full, and then on your last, leave 2 loops on your hook. We're going to reintroduce our white. In the same fashion, cut the pink yarn, leave a tail, pop this one through, and then put your tails over the working yarn like so, behind your work, and then we repeat. So the white row, we start with a chain 1, turn your work, and in the very first stitch through both loops, you're going to single crochet. Then into skip 2 and into the single crochet from the row below. This is the row we start with a full shell. So into that back loop only, you're going to work 5 extended double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the back loop of the middle post here, so skip 1, 2, and in that back loop here, work a single crochet, and that's it. That's all we do. For this row, you're going to skip 2, and here work 5 extended double crochet, skip 2, single crochet in the back loop, skip 2, work 5 extended double crochet here, and I'll just show you how to finish this row one more time. So continue across, and I'll catch you at the end of this row. Okay, so on pattern repeat row 1 with chain 1 and work 1 single crochet. So that's quite easy to remember. Whatever colour you start with, so if we started here with the pink, that's always our row 2, and that starts with a half shell. Row 1, pattern row 1 ends and starts with a single crochet. Into both loops, you would work half the stitch, change colour, and then once you've turned your work with your pink, you're going to chain 3, and you would begin here with your half shell of 2 more extended double crochet, because that chain counts as your first. You would then work a single crochet into the middle, 5 extended, skip 2, single crochet, extended, 5 extended, 1 single crochet, and then in this very last stitch here, you would work your 3 extended double crochet half shell into that back loop, change colour, and repeat. As always, I will put the links for the times into the description. You can see what I mean a wee bit, actually a bit better on the solid colours, where this is our focus colour on this side of the work, and when you turn, the white is the focus. So this would be beautiful on pillow covers, cushion covers, because you could do, if you had 3, you could do 2 with the this is your main colour, and put the one in the middle with this colour. So yeah, that was the 3D shell stitch. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share if you can. All the information for the different yarns that I've used today, including the peach and the thread cotton. This was just some white and baby pink, so you probably have some of that, hopefully. And yeah, that was the 3D shell stitch. I will see you next Sunday. Bye.